Welcome to NCIX Tech Tips. Today's episode is not so much about an individual PC, but more about a family of PCs, a program of PCs, the Powered by ASUS program for PCs. So what is the Powered by ASUS program all about, you might ask? And I would respond, well, you've got ASUS components in the system. To which you would reply, haha, I understand. But it's not just about that. Sure, you could take all ASUS components and put them in a system, and you'd end up with something pretty cool. You could take the highest end ASUS components, put them in a system, and you'd end up with something that performs the best. But the Powered by ASUS concept is quality and performance, class-leading quality and performance at any given price point. So we've designed an entire range of systems. This is a particularly high-end one, but an entire range of systems where we take ASUS components that deliver on that quality and performance at a given price range mantra, and then complementary components that go along with it. So even for this very high-end system, we've gone with a Corsair 500R case. Not the most expensive case in the world by any stretch, but good airflow, good quality, and great value. We've also gone with a 3770K, a Maximus 5 formula, Corsair Dominator Platinum memory, a Matrix 7970 Platinum Edition graphics card, and we've gone with a Zonart Phoebus sound card. All of this powered by an AX850, which is fully capable of powering a couple of these graphics cards. No big deal. So what does all this mean? It means that you could probably spend double on a system, throw an Extreme Edition, throw two lower-end graphics cards, slightly lower-end and Crossfire that don't overclock as well as a Matrix card. You could waste a lot of money, and you could end up with a system that costs 30–40% more and actually doesn't perform as well as a system like this or deliver that same kind of experience. So that is what this entire program is all about. Like for the SSD, we've gone with a Neutron GTX because it's about as fast as you can get out there. For storage, I actually don't know what drive that is, but apparently there's two Neutron GTXs in RAID 0. This is a very high-end system. So how do you shop for a Powered by ASUS system? By the way, I forgot to mention this one right here, the high-end one, is liquid-cooled as well with the Corsair H100. Well, you go to the Powered by ASUS page on NCIX's site, and you can see any of the systems that are there. Now, we're shooting this before the program's actually going live, so this page isn't even done yet. You guys are seeing like a pre-production page. Wow. And here we've got our compact system. This is the Vesta 3210 SFF. So this is using an H77 ITX board. This has an optional liquid cooling option done inside it. We've actually done a video about this system before, and it's a great value for kind of a small, compact gaming system. Comes with a GTX 560. The other one here, this is the 3190. This one we've actually talked about in the past as well. This is one of the best value gaming systems out there. It is fully compatible with Crossfire. It has a 3470 quad core, and it also has a GTX 560. So by the time this page goes live, there will be more stuff here, and you'll be able to pick from any number of Powered by ASUS systems. So the idea is, you're getting ASUS quality, ASUS performance, and then you're trusting NCIX to pick the other components for you and make sure that the whole ecosystem is quality, performance, value, and all that good stuff that you've come to expect. Thank you for checking out this PC Systems edition of NCIX Tech Tips. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys are as excited about the Powered by ASUS program as I am.